floors is almost like the wheels on your car when you're doing a custom car.
Right.
The wheels is what set it off.
Yes.
You build the body,
Yep.
which is the house, but then you want the bling, you want the accessories, and the floor is so important because it can make or break a project. I was pretty specific on what I needed. I had it in my head, but didn't know how to get it. And you sourced it, you said, look, and I remember the phone call, you said, hey, Russ, I think I've got it. This is the one. And lo and behold, it was. The floor looks fantastic.
And it just leads your eye out to,
Of course it does.
obviously, the beautiful view.
This is the runway at the heavens.